Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to restore a permanently deleted post from Instagram. First, we're gonna start by going to our profile. Next, we're gonna click the three stripes in our top right corner. Next, we're gonna tap on your activity. Here we're gonna select recently deleted. Keep in mind this applies only for posts that you have deleted no longer than 30 days ago. So for example, we're gonna select this one. Tap here on the three dots, click restore. Again, restore. Now for this action, you have to confirm it via security code. So here now we're gonna click on our phone number. So it sends it there. Next. Now we wait from messages, confirm. Now we can go back and the photo has been restored. Thanks for watching.